A question we get all the time is, how do you do culinary school online? And the way we do it is by focusing on technique. Taste and flavor is very subjective. Technique is not. What we also do is teach you how to taste your food. Through the use of our flavor wheel, we give you an extensive vocabulary of culinary terms that help you expand your culinary vocabulary. In your live session, we'll talk to you about what you should expect in tastes and textures and flavors from whatever dishes you're making that week. Then as you complete the process, you taste that food, you analyze the flavor wheel, you match those tastes and flavors and textures that you're picking up to some of those terms. It allows you to better understand how the food tastes and to better explain how that food tastes.
You have to be able to pick the right word to describe that taste, or the aroma even, or the mouthfeel, and there's proper terms, there's proper words. We do have to, make it clear that we understand the flavors like acidity, the sodium, the sweetness. We have to understand those to fully describe taste and aroma to somebody. And actually, that's something I use in my everyday life now.
Throughout the process of using all these different ingredients and all these different techniques, you really broaden your palate as well, which is a really important part of being successful in the food service industry.